Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to set up your Tinder profile on your phone. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Tinder, open the app, and after that click on profile in the bottom right of the screen. And after that, as you can see here, you will find on the top of the screen the word edit profile. Click on it. And here you can add everything. You can add your picture, or like here there is the smart photos option. So with that option, it will like continuously test all your profile photos and pick the best one to show first. You can write the about me text. You can add prompts, and the prompts are like some questions, as you can see, that you can use them to start the conversation with your match. You can add your interest, you can add your hate, you can add your relationship goals, the language that you know, zodiac, education, family plans, communication style, and all the other things. And also you can add the job title, like the company where you work, your school, where are you living, your Spotify anthem, and things like that. And after that, after you complete all those informations, you can click on preview on the top of the page to preview your profile and to see how is your profile looking. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.